Is Brandon would be clean. We are on a pet cleaning. As you can see, we have a lot of stains here. Stain there, stain there, stain there. We have a bonnet system. All right. They're like, oh my gosh, how do you want to clean with a pad? Well, that's the thing. As you know, technology only gets better as it continues to go. We started with, well, my age, I started with the new little Nokia phones, the flip phone, to now we have folding phones, the iPhone, one button, okay? Technology advances, so does our cleaning industry with the solutions that we can use, okay? This one is a particular pet cleaning, okay? I actually started spraying it, and you can see how it's lighter right there. That's my solution already working, all right? I mixed some things up from a couple other companies. Yes, I like to think of myself as a mixologist and getting things good and tasting good. Well, not tasting good, but cleaning good. All right. So as you can see, we're going ahead and spraying and we're applying our solution here. Very simple process. We normally have electric sprayers, but they are in the shop right now because things, of course, aren't made like they used to be. Made to break. But that's another story. All right. We're going to move some of the stuff out of the way. So I'm going to put this on the stain here. I want to allow it to dwell, okay? That's very important, dwell time, all right? So that's going to mean that solution's working. Look, it's sorry, my alarm was going off. It gets lighter in color already. Look at that. It's already getting lighter, okay? So that's how well my solution works here. This is safe for kids and pets, all right? There's a little bit of peroxide in here, which helps us out, okay? We're just going to do probably half the room here. There's not any AC, but they got the heaters on. Which we don't want the carpet to dry. As long as the carpet's wet, the solution is still continuously going to work, all right? The thing about my solutions here that we currently use here at Deep Clean Professionals is not only after we're finished cleaning and the carpet's dry in just 1 hour, okay? Not only do the carpets dry quickly, it's leaving behind a residue. Now, this residue, you cannot feel it. You can't taste it. It's safe for kids and pets. But what those are is, it's actually not a residue, I should say. It's a polymer, okay? And what that polymer is doing is it is continuously cleaning. So as long as you vacuum as you should, I would say at least twice a week. If you have normal foot traffic, if you're a single person, don't have any kids, once a week is fine. Pets, 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, okay? A lot of dander, dirt, and hair builds up in carpet. Carpet is your #1 filter inside your home. That's right. Carpet is your #1 filter. And you're saying, well, what is that? I have a filter on my AC vac, my HVAC system. Okay, just like that's pulling dirt out of the air, you're pulling dirt out of your shoes. You're walking around all day. You got pets. You know, if you don't wipe off their paws when they come in, okay, that's all getting tracked into your carpet. All right. Now we recommend getting your carpets done at least twice a month, every 6 months. We can get you on a yearly plan, which is affordable for everyone. Okay. We definitely want to make sure we get everyone clean and providing a great service. All right. So as you can see, I'm just going ahead and getting some spraying done. Old school pump here. Sometimes the old way is the best way. And we're going to go ahead and apply this here, and then I'll show you how we're going to go ahead and get this clean and watch these stains disappear. And all my stains here with my system do not come back. Okay, if you're watching this and you're like, oh, should I use this cleaner from my pad? He's not extracting anything. It is extracted, okay? It goes inside the pad. It's called encapsulation, okay? So stay tuned, and we're going to show you how we're going to get this done. All right, remember there's a stain there. There was a stain, a real big stain there. This is our process here. It's a 175. This is spinning 175 rotations a minute. You know this now. Yeah. Beautiful. Stain is on, okay? Beautiful. Anything over here. Where does it go? It goes inside the pad. Remember I said this is a pet cleaning here? And it's encapsulated, that's pet hair, okay? It's getting pulled out the carpet, you can even see up there. So it is extracting stuff on the carpet. It's getting absorbed in the pad. The stuff that doesn't get into the pad comes out, and we finish up our process with the vacuum. I'll show you that in a second here. Every technician is vacuuming in the room. Sitting all along. Now we do move furniture, but I don't even need that. We move furniture, but it is a key to moving furniture. Spine is not going to be that time. When we come in, we do allow you to have everything clear off the floor, and so we can go ahead and get everything come in and get it out efficiently and accurately. Just to give you an idea, we got the stairs done, and this is after. Okay, we're all clean. We just did the upstairs. This is a large traffic area. It was all tracked up. So this is what it'll look like when we're all finished here. All right, and stay tuned. All right, things that make us a little different here is we use a portal here. And what that's going to do here is we'll let you know when we arrive, okay? When we arrive, when we get started, when we're complete. So we'll hit the button when we arrive, and it tells you, hey, we'll be there in 30, 40, 20, 60 minutes, okay? Or after, you know, when we get started, we'll let you know too. All right, and then we'll get complete, and then we're all finished. And we'll let you know, and then we'll hit the completed button here. And of course, we'll send you over the invoice. So you don't even have to be here while you're home. And not only that, it lets you know what we're going to be doing, okay? I mean, we are kind of strangers. Your home is your peace of peace and zen. And you want to know what's going on at all times. So we want to make you comfortable and let you know that we'll provide that for you as a service here, no charge. All right, so stay tuned, and she's going to vacuum here soon. And we're going to get moved into another room, and we'll show you when we're all complete. All right, so this is the room here after it looks done. Just give you an idea on how, you know, clean we'll get it here. And, I mean, those stains are gone. They're not going to come back. Got a little hair here. All right, it's looking really good. You probably want to hit that area again with the stair tool. And we'll be running out of here. This is how we do stairs. Science pattern. There's the process, so there's some stains there. All right, same thing we're doing. All right, spraying down solution here. And you see we got an outline, so we're gonna try to blend this here. Stuff popping up already. It's not gonna fully come all the way up already. This hasn't been done in about a year. So we recommend at least 6 months for everything to fully come up. I already got all that. I just need that back area done. So check it out here. That's the floor. Obviously we're cleaning and vacuuming it up. Getting any more loose debris that was knocked around. Remember those stains over here? Completely gone. None of my stains come back, okay? Nothing comes back. Been doing this system here for about 2 years. And nothing. I never got a call back where you had to come get a stain. That's why we have a guarantee. If the stain does come back, we'll come out within 48 hours. Go ahead and treat that for free. If you are commercial, realtor, property management, whatever type of cleaner. You're looking for any of our cleaning services, Lancaster, Harrisburg, York area. We do it all. We're your one-stop shop. Now, what makes us different here is, one, you know what you're getting every time you come out. And then two, we're going to let you know you don't have to be on site. We'll do it before, after, and finished. We'll even send you a video if you want as well. But as you can see in these videos, you see the quality and the quality of service that you are getting. We also do all types of cleaning, residential, power washing, whatever it is, we go ahead and we will get that service for you. Whatever it is, we'll go ahead and try to get it clean, the best of our ability, and get it serviced here. My name is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. I am CEO and owner. It's just like everyone else, having a hard time hiring people. That's why you see me doing these videos. But as you can see, we got a nice team going here, and we'll go ahead and continue to service you. Stay tuned and give us a like, comment, or share if you're interested in any of our services.